Power on. Click, prepare, filament, retract, wait for the machine to complete unloading. Press down on the wrench. Remove the filament. Click, return. Movement 30 millimeters. Move Z-axis and X-axis. Move Ho10 to center position for subsequent operations. Click, cooling to open. Model fan. Wait until nozzle cools to room temperature. Click, prepare to close. Model fan. Power off. Unplug power cord. Press cutter handle. Remove casing. Remove silicone sleeve. Release nozzle clip and press inward. Remove nozzle. Apply thermal grease evenly on the new nozzle. Install the new nozzle. Secure nozzle clip. Install silicone sleeve. Press cutter handle. Install casing. Plug in power cord. Power on. Click settings. Self-check. Check all options and start detecting. Wait for the machine self-check to complete. Load the filament. Click filament to perform extruding operation. Waiting for the machine to feed. Observe whether the nozzle extrudes smoothly.
Enter the Wiki official website to find more information.